All right, team draw for 2017 Panini Immaculate Baseball 4-box break random teams number 2. Here's everybody in it. Thank you all very much. I appreciate it. Sorry about the last one, Lonnie. We got you in this one. Your combos are D-backs, Marlins, and Angels, Brewers. This is how many times we'll hit the randomizer. Going 7 times. Good luck. People first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The Hunter on top, Solier on bottom. Paste you guys in right here. I'll read these off, but they'll also be pasted in the team draw section in the store. 7 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Giants on top. Dodgers on bottom. Last spot mojo. The Hunter, Giants, Teacher, Tigers, Metsy, Blue Jays, LNA Minshaw, Cardinals, Leo Inc., White Sox, JTS, Red Sox, Weibo, Mets, Solier, Twins, Leo Inc., Cubs, Tiger 4508, Phillies, The Hunter, Royals, Tiger, Yankees, Weibo, Orioles, Solier, Mariners, Metsy, Angels, Brewers, The Hunter, Astros, C. Paulwick, Padres, Tiger 4508, Indians, Fat Dog, Reds, JTS, D-backs, Marlins, Dayrider, Nationals, C. Paulwick, Braves, Kinga, Rays, LNA Minshaw, Pirates. Teacher got the A's and the Rockies, Metsy, the Rangers, and Solier, the Dodgers. Go ahead and trade away.